If you are picking your first mirrorless camera and do not know where to start, stick around. 5 cameras tested across photography, video, and everyday use. Every budget covered. All 5 links are in the description. Let's get into it. Welcome to TechBee, where we find the gear that actually delivers. 5 beginner cameras. Let's go. The Canon EOS R100 is the most accessible entry point into the RF mount ecosystem. TechRadar called it the cheapest mirrorless camera you can buy new. A 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with dual pixel CMOS AF delivers reliable subject detection for portraits, everyday shooting, and travel. The same autofocus system used in Canon's pricier R50 and R10 models means the R100 punches above its price on focus accuracy. A fully articulated touchscreen handles selfies and vlogging angles. 4K video captures at a crop but covers the essentials for content creators just getting started. The compact, lightweight body with a comfortable grip makes it easy to carry daily. Canon's RF mount gives access to a growing library of native lenses as skills and ambitions develop. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. Subscribe to TechBee, the best camera and photography gear every single day. The Canon EOS R50 is the camera that amateur photographer named Best Beginner Camera overall in 2026. A 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor with dual pixel CMOS AF. 2 delivers fast, confident tracking across people, animals, and vehicles. Performance that genuinely surprises at this price. The fully articulated touchscreen supports selfie and vlogging positions. Up to 15 frames per second, electronic burst shooting captures fast-moving subjects reliably. Subject recognition covers people, animals, and vehicles with eye tracking active. A built-in viewfinder, absent on many competing beginner cameras, helps with composition outdoors in bright conditions. 4K video is available, though with a crop applied. The compact RF mount body fits comfortably in smaller hands and pairs well with Canon's growing range of affordable RFS lenses. That is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. The Sony A6400 is a proven APS-C mirrorless that amateur photographer recommends as the best Sony for beginners. Challenging to master initially, but rewarding as skills develop. A 24.2 megapixel XMOR CMOS sensor with real-time eye AF and real-time animal tracking delivers Sony's class-leading subject detection in a compact, well-built body. The 180-degree tiltable touchscreen flips up for vlogging and selfies. 4K HDR video with oversampled output produces clean, detailed footage. An ISO range of 100 to 32,000 expandable to 102,400 handles, low-light shooting. Up to 11 frames per second continuous shooting. The E-mount lens ecosystem is one of the deepest and most versatile in the mirrorless market. A significant long-term advantage for a growing photographer. A microphone input handles external audio for video work. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. The Sony ZV-E 10 is built specifically for vloggers and content creators, and it remains one of the easiest cameras to start creating with. A 24.2 megapixel APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor with real-time eye AF and a side opening, fully articulating screen keeps the creator in frame in every position. The directional 3-capsule microphone captures audio with significantly more directional separation than the single microphone found on most competing beginner cameras. Background to focus mode switches to a wide open aperture with one button press for instant subject separation. Product showcase mode shifts focus to objects held up in front of the camera automatically. 4K video outputs clean, oversampled footage. S-Log 3 Gamma for color grading is supported. The compact and lightweight body weighs just 343 grams with battery and card. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. The Nikon Z50 II is the beginner mirrorless that surprised reviewers with its autofocus capability. Photography talk. Noted it tracks birds in flight at 75 to 80% hit rates that match cameras costing 2 to 3 times more. A 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor with X-Speed 7 processing delivers clean images through ISO 6400 with workable results at ISO 12800. 4K at 60 frames per second video is available without the heavy crop that affects competing beginner cameras at this price. A 209-point autofocus system with subject recognition handles people, animals, and vehicles. The magnesium alloy chassis feels noticeably more solid than the plastic-bodied alternatives in this category. A tilting touchscreen handles standard shooting positions and selfie angles. DP Review described it as the nicer-to-use camera in direct beginner tests. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to TechBee right now, the best beginner camera content every single day. The most affordable RF mount entry with the Canon EOS R100. The best overall beginner camera with the Canon EOS R50. the most rewarding camera for learning photography seriously with the Sony A6400, the easiest camera to start vlogging with the Sony ZV-E10, and the strongest autofocus performance in the beginner category with the Nikon Z50 II. All 5 links in the description. I will catch you in the next one.